Hi everyone. In today's post, I'll be sharing a workbook that I've made. It's basically a calendar workbook that I've made so that you can record all your jobs or your chores that you have on a daily basis. If you have meetings or if you have to do notes that you'd like to record in this Excel workbook, you can write it down. Um, and you can see it anytime in the future as well. Now, whenever you open up this workbook, it's a macro enabled workbook. So, if you're downloading it from the internet and when you open up the workbook, you might get two messages on top on the ribbon. One of them would be to enable the workbook. So, you just click on the enable button, and the other one would be to enable macros. Now by default, macros are disabled in your workbook. So if you get a pop-up message saying to enable macros, just click on the button which says enable macros, and your workbook will open up on this sheet, which is called the calendar sheet. Now in this calendar sheet, if you see, I have all the dates which is showing for the month of September in the year 2020. Right, and I have a small sort of screen on the right hand side which basically will give me my daily tasks according to the timetable that I have put over here. Now Saturdays and Sundays, if you're in that part of the world where your weekend is on Saturdays and Sundays, you can see that Saturdays and Sundays for the whole month of September is highlighted if you have holidays there. If you're working in the Middle East where Fridays is an off, all you need to do is come to these two cells over here. You can just click on that cell and type in Friday, and as soon as you type in Friday, you can see that Fridays for the whole month are highlighted in green color. You can come to the second cell over here. If you have only Fridays, you can just delete this, so you have only Fridays showing as holidays. If you have Fridays and Saturdays, you can just mention Saturday here, type Saturday, and you will have Fridays and Saturdays showing as your holidays. Okay, now let's say we are in the month of June. So I click here on the drop down and I have all the months displayed here, so I can just choose June. Once I choose June for the year 2020, I have my dates updating here in the background, and you see that the 1st of June started on a Monday. Now since I've recorded this on the 19th of June, you can see that 19th of June is highlighted in red. Okay, and you can see that I have something posted here. Since it was my mom's birthday on the 1st of June, it shows that it's like a reminder showing me that I need to call my mama. Right, now if you need to record any tasks for the rest of the month, you can come to the tasks sheet here, and you can see that this column is filtered automatically for the month of June. So you can record your tasks. So let's say if I need to record something for tomorrow, I'll go down for searching for the 20th, and I can just type in some short note here like this, press enter, come back to the calendar sheet, and if I click on the 20th of June, you can see that I have a meeting with my boss at 9 o'clock in the morning. Right, I can go back to the tasks. If I have any time slot and I have any errands or chores that I need to do, I can just type it according to the timetable which is shown in the columns. Let's go back to the calendar. Let's say you have something coming up in the month of October. So you just click down here and choose October, and it will show you all the dates for October. You can just click on the cells on the dates, and your screen over here will update with whatever tasks that you have posted. So you can click on the 13th, 20th, 19th, and you can see my dates updating automatically. Plus, if you go to the task sheet, whenever you choose the month, your month will automatically appear here, right? So you can see we had chosen the month of October. Now we have all the dates for the month of October. So I hope you can use this, and I hope this workbook will be useful for you to remind you of any dates or any birthdays or any meetings that you have. Um, and you can record your tasks by the day and the given time slot. Hope that you will like this workbook, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thanks again for watching my videos.